guys, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm really thrilled to announce that today marks the 1 month anniversary or monthversary for Not So Nerdy channel. It's been a roller coaster so far, and because of you guys, your encouragement, I was able to, reach till 1 month. I'm not usually consistent. I find it a little difficult, but because of you guys, I was able to do that. So really, really grateful to those who took out the time to watch my videos, leave comments, and share your thoughts and feedbacks with me. It was really helpful, and I'm really looking forward to see what the future holds for this channel. I hope you guys stick around. I promise to continue bringing you with new engaging contents, more informative contents to learn, to enjoy. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel if you have not. And again, happy 1 month anniversary. So thank you so much for your support. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.